Hi all, again, this is Anthony Saul, and now we finished the part one of my presentation regarding the introduction to the mainframe computer, and now we are now going to the part two uh, of my presentation. So now we're going to the uh, Z operating system. Uh, the example that show earlier is the mainframe computer that I use mostly are by IBM because uh, probably IBM is the leader in terms of mainframe computer. And then also the COS is uh, created by IBM, and the mainframe computer they called is System Z is also created by IBM. Uh, about the System Z, as I mentioned, System Z was developed by IBM. The System Z is the complete set of the mainframe computer, all its hardware, and the operating system that run that uh, specific main frame computer is the ZOS. It is just like a computer, primary computer, personal computer. We have a computer hardware, and then on top of that, we have the operating system. And but this time in a mainframe setup, we have a System Z hardware, and then its operating system is ZOS. And just like an ordinary computer, the operating system is also separately sold and designed specifically to the needs of the users. IBM became the leader of the mainframe computer. No, it is according to Gartner research. Here, there are also other competitor here. Also, we have Windows here. We also have a mainframe computer. Also, the top competitor is the HP and Unisys, and also some portion of Dell. Uh, they also beginning to concentrate on the mainframe computer. And as you can see here, the IBM C10. This is the 2008 version of the C system. They are uh, masyadong malayo agwat nila, no, in terms of dun sa competitor. So their difference in terms of uh, platform and performance. I'm going to show you the glimpse lang of the evolution of the C system. From 1960, of course, they have some variation and of course upgrade. Uh, they have S390, the G5, G6, and from 2000, that's the start of the Z generation. The Z80, the Z90, the C890, C26, the Z9, and then the one that I already featured on the start up the slide, the Z10, and into 2019 they have the latest version of mainframe computer. They call this IBM C15. For this model is T01 model, and I heard they also have another model, the T02, more advanced model. For this specific C15 T01 model, it has a 12-core processor, meaning 12 pieces of physical processor in one mainframe computer, and also have a maximum memory up to 40 terabytes, and the price is approximately between $250,000 to 4 million, depending on the scale that configurable specs that you going to order. We're going to discuss all these specific component hardware at the later slide natin. But this particular Z15 model, it is running on the top is the ZOS. So we all know the mainframe computer, and we all know that ZOS is a operating system that is uh, primarily built and specially built for mainframe computer. So let's define what is a ZOS operating system. As I said, it is the most widely used of all mainframe operating system, because also IBM is dominant in terms of mainframe computer. It is also a 64-bit operating system, and most widely used operating system, uh, ideally suited for processing large workload for many concurrent user, maybe designed for serving uh, 1,000 to 10,000 users concurrently, and it has a input-output numeric intensive computing, meaning the user can simultaneously input and output data at the same time. And it has also a processing very large heterogeneous workload, meaning you can have many VM here in one uh, mainframe computer, and then running mission critical application securely. So, yeah. And then we're going to discuss the key features of Z operating system. Uh, these are the some of the key feature of Z operating system. Of course, it is comprised of modules, uh, system program or macros, and system component. It also has a PSW, and also has technique and multi-programming and multiprocessing, and information about the system resources and tasks contained in control block, and it manages three different kind of storage.